Journaling isn't as hard as the internet makes it to be. Hey everyone, I'm Jerry. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I do videos on lifestyle, tech, and productivity. So I've been seeing a trend online on bullet journaling or journaling in general, and I know people want to get into it but are intimidated by examples like this one, and this one. Journaling is great because it keeps you level-headed and productive, but it doesn't have to be as complex as you see online. The simpler your daily journal format is, the easier it is to keep up every day. I'm going to show you my simple daily journal entry format. At the top of the page, I write down today's date. Next, I write one thing that I am grateful for. This keeps me level-headed and grateful, which are two important things to be during this quarantine. Next, I write all the things that I have to get to during the day. Throughout the day, I'll X out tasks that I've finished. At the end of the day, if I don't get to a certain task, I'll either cross it out if it's not needed, or I'll put an arrow on the bullet point indicating that I need to do the task in the future, either the next day or later in the week. And then I'll finish off by writing a few highlights that happened during the day. This is to keep me positive, which is also important in this quarantine. That is it for my journal entry format that I try and stick to every day. I hope this gives you some insight and encourages you to maybe start journaling. If you do try this journal entry format that I do, I suggest at the end of the day, you start tasking out the next day so that you're ready and prepared. That's it for this video. If you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe. Stay safe and healthy, and I'll see you next time.